Discord provides its users a platform where people can connect and communicate with others. Discord consists of servers where thousands of people can interact with each other. These servers, however, can contain inactive users, which can make the server crowded. In this video, we will show you how you can kick inactive members. Open the app and tap on the 3 lines at the top of the screen. Select the server in which you want to kick members. Tap on the 3 dots in front of the name of the server. Now, tap on Settings. Here, you will see the different settings related to the server. Scroll to the bottom of this menu. Now, tap on Members. Here, you will be able to see all the members that are currently in your server, along with their roles. Tap on the 3 dots at the top of the screen. Tap on Prune. Pruning refers to kicking users who haven't logged into Discord in a set amount of time. With pruning, you can mass kick members instead of managing them individually. Select one of the options and tap on Prune.